Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see what happens if you block someone on Instagram. So let's head over to Instagram. So here, let me tell you, once you block a person, the blocked user cannot find your profile when they search for it. Like if they go to the search section, they can't find you. And they cannot see your posts, stories, or any other content you share. They cannot send you direct message and mention and tags. They cannot mention you or tag you. Instagram does not even notify if the blocked person um about the block, and if the blocked person has other accounts, you'll need to block those separately. However, accounts you already follow won't be blocked even if they are connected to the blocked account. So you can unblock someone anytime through your account settings. So yeah, these are what happens when you block someone on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.